In this video, I'll show you guys how to add custom Json-Ld Schema Markup to your Wix website, even if you're not a developer. This is a powerful way to boost your SEO and increase click-through rates, and help Google better understand your site. First, go to schema.org or use a free generator like Mermaid or RankRanger to create your Json-Ld code. Let's say we're adding FAQ schema to or a local business schema. Just paste your business name, location, hours, or facts into the generator. Now open your Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add the schema. Click on Settings, then choose Advanced Settings, and scroll down to Custom Code. Click Add Custom Code, paste in your JSON link, and make sure to wrap in a script. Then set it up to appear in the head section and choose Apply to all pages or specific one, depending on your setup. Hit Apply and publish your new site. Now go to Google's Rich Results Test tool. Paste in your site URL and check if the schema is valid. If it's all green, congrats, your Wix website is now sending rich data to Google. And that's it. You've just added structured schema markup to your Wix website. No plugins or coding experience needed.